3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's Sarge and Mrs. Sarge. My Eagles attire. Just saying, Super Bowl champions. Anyway, we just took our first trip, both of us, it was our first trip to O-Mart. Fluffy, I know you're excited about this. We actually, well, I had no idea what I was doing. Mrs. Sarge had more of a clue than I did about what was going on, but we're going to do a haul video. We've never done a haul video. This is our first one, so we thought we'd share. What did you want to share with the...
Oh, the whole point of going to O-Mart was I found this recipe.
Miso... What?
Poached, I think.
Yeah, poached
salmon. And it called for, I mean, it's a Japanese-based. So we had to go to an Asian market.
Is that what we're having when Fluffy comes over?
Yes.
Fluffy.
Well, that's what me and Fluffy are having. You don't eat fish, therefore you get chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. I'm down. So yeah, we're going to do our little haul thing. Hope y'all enjoy it. Would you like to start?
Yeah. Let's see, Sarge got party mix.
I did. I've had some of this before, years and years ago, something similar. I don't know if I'm going to like this one in particular, but I did. Got a little bit of snack mix.
Well, it's just rice, but it's for sushi. I got prepared dried squid. Hot.
Yummy. I might be brave and try a piece when you open it.
Let's see.
Y'all, I don't know if these are going to be the same thing. When I was visiting my cousin in California, at the local grocery store, they had maki ice cream, where you could just pick the individual ones out of the freezer. And I saw maki ice cream. I don't know what it is about the coating, but it's good. So it's just a sweet rice dough. I'm hoping this is going to be like the ones. Sorry, I'm covering your face like nobody's business.
This cream is prettier than me.
No, it's not.
It's sweeter.
So yeah, I'm going to try that and let y'all know how that is.
Imitation crab sticks for the sushi. Somebody won't eat real crab.
I thought that was for the... Didn't you say you're going to try and make crab rangoons?
I'm going to make crab rangoons too. I may have to get some more crab.
The more cream cheese, the better.
Yes. So then the wonton wrappers for the crab rangoons. Burdock and pickled radish for sushi.
Mmm, delish.
Let's do that.
I think Mrs. Sarge is going to try and find a recipe on this or exactly what you do with it, but she really liked the look of it. Called jackfruit. So if any of y'all know anything or have a suggestion on a recipe or something, make sure you comment. I don't know if I'd be able to smell it through the wrapper.
I don't know you.
And this is for one of your recipes, right?
That's the whole purpose of going to the is the miso paste.
And I noticed it said she needed yellow miso. We saw ones with labels that said they were red or white, but none of the labels actually said yellow, but this was the only yellow-ish looking one. So hopefully that's the right stuff.
I don't think we're going to know if it's not.
I don't think so. No, it's not.
We can't read it. We don't know if it's upside down. So just for the sushi.
Roasted seaweed.
Yes. And you can't make sushi without the roller.
Yeah, she was super excited. Mrs. Sarge was so excited in the story. And Fluffy, great news for you. I know you're going to be excited about this, but several times while we were in there, Mrs. Sarge is like, I need to come here with Fluffy. And I can just imagine, like, I would just like to follow you two with the camera because that's going to be cool. Not me. They have ones for kids, like learning, that are attached. If I was to get chopsticks, I'd need those ones.
And then curry and cucumber for the sushi.
I'm assuming it has a tip. Have you ever had them before?
No, I'm pretty sure that's what my mom told me to get.
My mother-in-law, smart person. She knows everything. So.
I had to call my uncle on what to put in the rice. I would have just used regular rice. Those are
yeah, this is like
that goes with this.
These bags are so loud. There's 4 of them, but I'll just show you the one bottle. What were they called? Sake dish cup.
For the sake. Which the reason I got the sake is because the recipe calls for it, but it only calls for a small amount, so we're going to have to try some sake. Rice wine, 13.5% alcohol.
Is that a lot?
I don't know.
We don't know nothing except for bottles like, there's our vodka and stuff.
But my uncle did say serve it warm, and you don't feel it until you stand up. So
sounds interesting.
Sushi vinegar that goes in the rice, I guess. My uncle said I'm going to have to Google something. He said there's a recipe on it. However, I'm afraid that might be the recipe.
We can't read that.
And I don't know that language.
Asian country gal. Help. Mrs. Sarge got this because she said it looks good. And I might actually try a piece just because of how much freaking sugar is on that stuff. Like, how can that even be bad with that much sugar on it? Ingredients: guava, salt, sugar, and chili.
That's nice growing. And this just mirin also for the recipe. Not sure. Sweet cooking rice seasoning. Some sriracha mayo for the sushi.
Thank you. Light is really not working.
And the most exciting,
Sure.
well, it's all exciting, but I'm really interested to see if these are any different.
Try one now.
They're Cheetos, but they're not American Cheetos.
Yeah, nothing on the bag is in English except for Cheeto
and Frito-Lay. So, I don't know, they may be made here. I'm seeing if it said where. Product of Korea.
They smell different?
No, not really.
Ooh, they look different, y'all. Look in this bag.
They look lighter.
Oh. They look different.
Oh, I don't know. It comes with a prize.
Oh, it comes with a prize. There's a prize in the Cheetos.
Oh, I guess that's what that says. Something about a prize.
It's like, y'all remember those pogs? Do you remember those
I
pogs?
love pogs.
That's what it looks like. It has some kind of product code on the back, which I know nothing about because I can't read it. See, it's got like a... Oh, we can download that scanner, I guess.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, Mrs. Sarge is getting so good at this stuff, isn't she? Here, let's try them. Oh. Totally different taste.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely different.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's a sweetness. Those are completely different, y'all. Nothing like an American Cheeto.
Wow.
I'm amazed that they're that different. It's definitely a sweetness.
Like, you don't get the sweet until halfway through the chewing.
But then there's like the cheesy. I kind of like them.
Yeah. Huh.
I almost on the side of saying I kind of prefer that flavor over the American one.
Mm-hmm. Those are really good.
They are. Another. So y'all, that was. Are you gonna try mango
Yeah.
or guava?
Figure out how to get it open.
Check out that package. See if y'all can find yourself some. Wow. Amazingly different.
That's crazy.
It is.
I think I need a knife. You're not allowed to use it still. Your numbers are up, but not that up.
Apparently, I get my platelets higher before I can use sharp objects. We stopped at the post office on the way home. And got another postcard and 2 cards. So, be doing a minion mail sometime in the near future. We have several videos we've worked on today that we want to get uploaded, but I'm not sure if they'll make it tonight or not. There's going to be quite a bit of editing, and my oldest, my 18-year-old son, is joining us for dinner this evening, so we'll be busy with that.
I have to figure out what to make for dinner.
Yeah.
I may still be trying to get this up. Oh.
That was like the tiniest piece of tape for all that work. All that work. That's what she got.
I was going to be safe and use scissors, but
It's not working for you. You hear Harley? Y'all, that's all the way in the other end of the house, down that hallway in our bedroom, because she wanted to be in there. She didn't want to come out when we left to go to the store. So I will
we
let
may
her.
never get to try these.
I'm gonna let Harley out.
If I scream, stay there. It's because I've cut my finger off. Seriously, though, like, this will not open. Maybe there's a trick and I'm not finding it.
I don't mind all the dog toys and blankets on the floor.
Mm-hmm. I just want to get into the guava.
I think everybody wants you to get into the guava at this point.
But it, like, seriously.
Oh, you broke out the big knife. Not, oh my.
I'm going that way.
I know, but still. Nice knowing y'all. This is just turning into a tasting. Also, Harley has gotten up on the windowsill right here, so you might be seeing her. While she's working on that, I'm going to try some of this. Just popped open. I'm going to try some party mix.
I'm not a fan of the party mix stuff. I don't like the textures.
It has like no smell whatsoever.
My mom loves that stuff.
I'm trying them individually because they all have such individual flavors. Did you try one of these? That was a good one. You want to try a skinny
Give
one?
me one of the green ones before you try it. It may be wasabi.
About to see if that's spicy or not.
Oh, which one? I like the green one.
I'll try a green one. Hi, Harley. I like it. I like this mix. Good review on that. Is this good as you were hoping?
Okay. It's not as sweet as like a mango. And it has a little bit of chili flavor.
It looks like it'd be really sweet with all that sugar on there.
It's really not.
No. I'll try a piece. Harley. Harley.
Harley, don't knock the laptop over.
No.
There's a little chili flavor.
I haven't gotten it. Oh, wait. Harley, stop. It's not a scratching post for your face. He's spotting me from behind the screen. Yeah. Not bad. Oh, yeah. That is our haul and review of a few snack items. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you want to try a piece of this? Okay. So Sarge is going to try the squid real quick. Harley. Cats are the most rude animals. Like, if animals could speak and one had an attitude. I don't think I really want to try that because it says it's hot. I can smell it. Ooh. I was about to say it's fishy, but I guess that makes sense.
It's squiddy.
Squiddy.
Yeah. It's not like that I brought sometimes.
Okay, so I think we're really done with our review. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, we will talk to y'all again soon.
Peace.
Peace.